Make a great choice today with the 2024 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, speed control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.